Good evening, everyone. Yesterday we had talked about contribution of India and Indian scientists in the field of chemistry. Today we are moving ahead and we will discuss about matter, states of matter, classification and its properties. So these are the things you have already done in class 9th. We will have a brief revision of what you have studied. So let's get started with matter. So anything which has mass and occupies space is got matter. So if we discuss about examples, table, chair, trees, stone, water, gases, anything which has mass and occupies space will be matter. Now you know that matter can exist in three physical states, and the three physical states are because of the arrangement of particles. So you know that the matter exists in three states, which is solid, liquid and gas. So solids have compact arrangement of particles, and this compact arrangement of particles is because of strong intermolecular forces that they have. Because of strong intermolecular forces, the particles are very close to one another, due to which they have no intermolecular space. And because of these three factors, solids have definite shape and volume. Now coming to the second state of matter is liquid. Now liquid, they do not have so compact arrangement. Why they do not have so compact arrangement? It is because of weaker intermolecular forces. Liquid particles have smaller intermolecular forces in between them, due to which some intermolecular space is present between their particles, and they have definite volume, but they take the shape of the container. If we take water in a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. If we keep water in a plate, it will take the shape of the plate. Now we come to the third state of matter, which is gas. Now particles of gases are far away from one another. Why are they far away from one another? It is because they have large intermolecular space due to negligible intermolecular force of attraction. Now, because of the above three factors, gases do not have fixed shape, nor do they have fixed volume. Now, coming to the next part. Both liquids and gases flow, and because of which they are together known as fluids. So fluids can be gases, fluids can be liquid. Anything which can flow is known as fluid. Now we have drawn a diagram representing the arrangement of particles of three states of matter. You can see that the particles are compactly arranged. They do not have much intermolecular space between them. These are but still some space is there, which is known as void. Now why are they having compact arrangement? As I have already told you, they have strong intermolecular forces between them, due to which the particles are held closest to one another. Now when these intermolecular force become weaker, the particles move away from one another, and this is what we have the arrangement of particles in liquids. So liquids, you can see that there is some intermolecular space in between them, and this space is because of weaker intermolecular forces between the particles. Now what do you mean by intermolecular force? Intermolecular force means the force which is the attractive force which is present between two or more molecules. So these particles are the molecules of liquid, and the force which is present in between these particles is known as intermolecular force, and the gap which is present between them is called intermolecular space. Now coming to the next state of matter, gases, you can see that the particles of gases are farther away from each other. They are very far away from each other, and they are far away. Why are they far away? They are far away because they have got negligible force of attraction between them, and because this of negligible force of attraction, when we fill any container with the gases occupy the entire volume of the container. Now a question for you, can we have half-filled cylinder? Can we ever have half-filled cylinder? No, we can never have have half filled cylinder with any gas, because whatever little amount of gas you will take in the cylinder, it will always occupy the entire volume. So there is no such thing like half filled cylinder with a gas. Now the next topic is interconversion of physical states of matter. This also you had studied in class 9. You can see that solids can be converted to liquid, and this physical process is known as fusion. And when liquids are heated up, they get converted to gas, and the physical process is known as evaporation. Now another thing, solids can many times be directly converted to gas without undergoing the liquid phase, and this physical process is known as sublimation. So all substances